Hello everyone. Today we're going to guide you through planning your website, creating a gallery page, and uploading images. To keep things organized, we recommend drafting a plan for your website structure. We've also pre-selected some photos to use on our site, and we suggest you do the same. Let's start by creating a page. Click on Create, and under Photography Project, we'll select the Portrait Ratio template. We'll name our page Portrait and opt to disable the Add to Portfolio button. We'll cover this option in a later video. Click on Create Page to confirm. You'll see an option to upload your images, click it, and select photos from your computer. You can upload up to 100 files at once, each with a maximum size of 24 megabytes. Once uploaded, click Done, and the images will automatically be displayed according to the chosen template. Besides using the available templates, you can also start from scratch by creating a blank page. This allows you to customize it by adding sections and elements as you prefer. Another handy feature is reusing an existing page as a template. This is great if you have multiple pages with a similar layout. In our next video, we'll show you how to style your gallery. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned.